Have you seen how fracture defects can make epoxy look like granite? In this 3-minute tutorial, you'll learn step by step how to master this technique. Stay tuned and enjoy the video.
Our epoxy rocks, stone coat countertops.
Remember, when you subscribe to our channel, click on the red subscribe button and be sure to ring the bell so you get notified every time we have a new video. Thanks again. Hey guys, Mike here with StoneCoatCountertops.com. In this video, we're going to show you how to fracture epoxy. Make it look like natural stone in a minute. It's simple, it's easy, but it looks incredible. Let's get started. Don't let the colors that we choose in this video dictate your project. You can substitute, mix and match any of the colors that you've previously painted your board with, the spray paint, and the metallics to create a custom design for your space. The first thing that we're going to do is sand the board. We're going to use 220 grit sandpaper. Will give us a nice smooth surface, and we're ready for the next step. We've previously painted this sample board with 2 coats of paint and primer in one in a nice earth tone. We're now going to fog it with spray paint to give us an underpainting. That's a good pro tip, and anything that you do under the epoxy is just an additional layer to create visual interest. We're going to fog our surface with black spray paint. This creates tiny dots that will give us depth and visual interest later. We're going to mix our material for 2 minutes at a 1:1 ratio. Stone Coat Countertop epoxy only needs to be applied at 3 ounces per square foot. We're using our 1/8 inch square notch trowel to spread the epoxy. We'll chop the surface with our 2-inch chop brush, and we're ready for the next step. All right, in this recipe, all I'm going to use is our black Rust-Oleum spray paint and our Stone Coat Countertops gold metallic mixed with 91% isopropyl alcohol. Let's do it. Cover the clear epoxy with your spray paint. Then you're going to use your alcohol and metallic powder mixture to make this paint look like fractured granite. All right, we're going to let this sit for a few minutes because it's going to morph, move, and meld. Don't judge it for about 5 minutes, and then you can decide if you want to keep working it or leave it be. Remember, you can substitute any color you wish for whatever spray paint and metallic that you want to do on any color board, and you have a custom design to fit the needs of your space and your own decor. Hey guys, visit us anytime at StoneCoatCountertops.com to see all the products used in this video.
Our epoxy rocks, stone coat countertops.
Hey, visit us anytime at StoneCoatCountertops.com. Call anytime for free project support. And until next time from Stone Coat Countertops, you got this. We'll see you soon.